Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 2 marks. Let's look at the question. Shown below is a rectangular tub of water of depth 34 centimeter. An object O is at the bottom of the tub. The image of the object is formed at I for an observer at Q. Find the distance by which the object seemed to be moved for the observer. Show your work and give valid reasons. Now, you can see from the figure that the object is kept here, whereas the image is formed at this point I. So, you have to find the distance by which the object seemed to be moved for the observer, which means you have to find the length of IO. Okay, so let's find out how to do the question. Now, if you take triangle, in triangle NON dash, you know that tan 30 degree is equal to NN dash by NO. Okay, tan 30 I know is 1 by root 3. So that's equal to NN dash by NO, which is 34. So the value of NN dash is 34 divided by root 3. Okay, now if I take triangle NIN dash, right? If this is 45 degree, then I know that this angle will also be 45 degrees. Why is it 45? Now these lines are parallel lines and this is like a transversal. So the corresponding angles would be equal to each other. So I know that angle NIN dash is equal to 45 degrees because corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so now let's take triangle. In triangle NIN dash, we know that tan 45 degree is equal to NN dash by NI. So that is 1 is equal to NN dash, which we found as 34 by root 3 by NI. So NI would be equal to 34 by root 3 from this. Okay, so we got this length as 34 by root 3. Now, we have to find the value of IO, right? If I subtract NI from NO, I will get the value of IO. Okay, so I know that IO is equal to NO minus NI. Now, NO is given to be 34 centimeters or 34 already, and NI we found out as equal to 34 by root 3. Okay, so we could take out 34 common out and I would have 1 by root 3 in the bracket. 1 minus 1 by root 3 in the bracket. If I make the denominator the same, I would get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now they've given you the value of root 3 in the question as 1.7. Take root 3 as 1.7. So we can substitute 1.7 minus 1 divided by 1.7, which is equal to 34 times 0.7 divided by 1.7. So that's going to be equal to 34 into 7 divided by 17, and that's 14 centimeters. Okay, so the value of IO will be 14 centimeters. Now the reason why I took 14 centimeters is because here in the question they've written it as 34 centimeters, but they've marked 34 meters here. So the unit should have been centimeters here. Okay. So the final answer would be the length of the distance by which the object seemed to be moved for the observer is 14 centimeters. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.